It's a wide variety of intercoms, wired intercom systems available. This one, for instance, is more used for residential applications, but it allows you to select a room, individual room to call, which is fairly unique in wired intercoms. And usually people go with telephone systems if they want to do too much of that. But it is also used for commercial applications in some cases, but all the labels that are built into the thing are kind of built for residential. And of course, we have video intercoms that can record. We put together a lot of these kits for various applications that we sell frequently. And these are very basic kits that either have 2 or 3 wires running to them. But all you have to do is just buy the kit. And then there are add-on components you can find under most of these by just going through the related products and accessories. So this one, for instance, can do 3 stations. We've included 2, and then you could add another outdoor or a base station on the or another substation on the inside. Here's a horn speaker and call button for loud applications. Different kinds of stainless. So there's lots of options there. And here's a simple room-to-room handsets. You can't really add too many more handsets to these. I think maybe 1 or 2. One add-on, so you can have up to 3 handsets. Here's a Cat5 wired system. Not good for room-to-room calling, but for paging everyone in a location. Another, this is really good intercom, video intercom that has picture memory and pan and scan capabilities. 10 call master kit. This is like the units up here, but it can do up to 10. You can have 10 substations all calling back to this master station. Can't call room to room with it very well unless you use 10 of these substations. Then you start getting into really heavy duty wiring requirements. They'll require something like a 20 conductor wire running all over the place, which really gets to be kind of expensive to run. Here's a same thing, but only a 3 call master kit. We've got apartment intercoms, and these do require a running cable out to each apartment. Here's an interesting device. It's a door intercom where you plug a telephone line into it, and someone comes and presses the button at the front door, right, like this, and then it will dial out to multiple phone numbers, and so you could call you anywhere in the world pretty much. Here's a retrofit kit if you got an existing wired intercom system. This one here is good for just point-to-point, really noisy locations. Those handsets get very loud, so we had them used at printing presses and things like that. If you got truck scales, these 2 intercoms here, we typically, they're kind of old-fashioned looking, but they can do some very loud, high output to horn speakers. So in very noisy locations, those are very good. Here's one that's just when you press a button, it calls your internal house phones. So someone comes to your front door, presses that button, and it'll call all your telephones on the inside. You can still plug your telephone line into it. And the last one here is an ADA entrance intercom. We use this to meet ADA requirements where if you have a wheelchair entrance that's locked, you'll need a push button that they can get to, and it just simply calls an inside station. And you can even unlock the door with it as well if you've got the right hardware on it. So lots of different options, and if you'd like to talk through the options, just give us a call and we'll work with you on finding the right solution for you.